Brain-boosting activities not only make kids happy, but also help improve their thinking, memory, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Here are some simple and fun activities, which can help your child get smarter every day. Puzzles are a great way to make kids think. Jigsaw puzzles, number puzzles like Sudoku, or even matching games can sharpen their focus. These games teach kids how to look at things closely, find patterns, and solve problems step by step. You can start with easy puzzles and slowly move to more difficult ones as your child gets better. Easy memory games can make your child's brain stronger. One fun game is the memory card game, where kids try to match pairs of cards. These games help your child pay attention, remember things better, and notice details. Reading books is a great way to make your child's brain stronger. Ask fun questions like, "What happens next?" or "Why did they do that?" You can also let your child create their own stories to grow their imagination and creativity. Drawing, painting, cutting shapes, or building things with paper, clay, or blocks are not just fun, they are also brain-building. These activities improve hand-eye coordination, focus, and creativity. Music helps kids learn rhythm and patterns. Singing, clapping, or dancing helps improve memory and body coordination. Let your child play simple instruments or make their own at home. It is fun and keeps them creative. Taking a walk outside keeps kids active and engaged. By playing games like I Spy or collecting leaves, they learn to focus and notice the world around them. Building blocks help kids understand shapes and think in 3D. They learn how to plan, stack, and balance pieces to create different things. This helps improve their thinking and hand skills. You can make it more fun by giving them simple challenges like build a house or make a car. Games like Snakes and Ladders, Uno, Ludo teach kids how to follow rules, take turns, and make decisions. These games are great for developing social and thinking skills. Plus, playing together strengthens family bonds. Doing fun science activities at home can spark your child's curiosity. The Lego Bot Science Activity Kit lets kids build fun moving creatures using Lego Technic parts and paper craft. While building, they learn about science concepts like motion, force, and balance. It helps kids think, solve problems, and be creative. Adding these fun and simple activities to your child's daily routine not only keeps them entertained, but also helps their brain grow.